3, 2, 1. No. Ooh. It's like, okay. Nothing that special about it. Like, what the fuck? It flew. Ooh, there's an actual dent. Oh. Ah, shit. Oh, what the? Here it is, guys. The teardown of the wireless mouse receiver. Come on, you gotta get a piece of paper. Well, it's kind of done now. What the fuck? Yeah, I'm getting a piece of paper. So, finally got that over with. So, 3, 2, 1. Oh, shit! If I can, like, see, there it is. The fucking... Oh, this is one piece. Right, leave that now. This is the casing for the fucking... What the fuck? Yeah, simple teardown. I don't want to do too much crazy shit, as I don't want it to get everywhere. So, how the fuck do I do this? I may actually have to throw this down on the ground as well. So, yeah. Right, get up, get up, get up. 3, 2, 1. Okay, not hard enough. What the fuck? Some piece fly everywhere. Get it off. Oh shit. So tear down. Ah, fuck. So if you want to refer to this live stream as a behind the scenes thing, then go ahead. Not like I can stop you from doing it anyway. This live stream shows the full extent of this anyway. Oh, I see how it recognizes the clicks. Look. For the video on my phone. Now for the live stream. Look, look, look. Hell yeah, dude. Alright. Got the first screw moved. Now for the other one. I had another idea and pulled it off instead, and look what I got. This. Oh. Yeah, I think I kind of know how. So this is how the light appears, huh? Look. Right there, I assume. Damn. Look, pushed it. Pushed it with some scissors. Boom. Broke the shit off. I just sneezed for a bit, but like, I had to push some scissors into it, but it wasn't that hard. Other than that, I forgot these red things. Look, look. What is this stuff? Fucking... Oh, it's for this. Look, I got shot on live too. Forgot to record some of this, so my bad. Like, broke the motherboard apart. Let's see if I can do one better. Ooh, I broke a chip off. Bro, why the fuck did you fly everywhere? Goddamn. Oh, what the fuck? There's a spider web all over that shit. Oh, right. The screw. The one screw I took off before pulling it off. Fuck yeah. Ooh, shit. I don't want that plastic fuck on my hand. What the? I died? What the fuck? I put the red and black part back together again? Fuck that. Time to take it. Hard to record this with one hand, so fuck it. Yeah, recording it now. I decided that I'm gonna throw it away off camera. So I actually forgot to smash the battery cover, so do that now. Not much I can. Actually, I can probably just snap it in half instead. Look, snap it in half instead, probably. Oh, probably a little. Okay. Ooh, what? Not much I can do here. Stop flying everywhere. Damn. Oh. You know what? You're gonna get this now. Hold on. Stop flying everywhere, you fucking cunt. Stop flying everywhere. Jesus. No, I could probably snap it in half, probably. Oh, I can sure as hell bend it though. Can I do more? Kind of hard to do this with one hand, but like it should serve for more content. Stop flying everywhere, Jesus. Ooh, partially broken in half. Like, can you see? Fuck. Oh, now I can snap it in. Yep. Should probably do more before I throw this away off camera. Boom. Now for the other one. Get the fucking scissor out of here. Hard to do this with one hand. Did a bit off camera. Oh, wait, where'd it go? Oh, holy there we go. Look at that. Piece one. Piece two. Oh, damn, I should show both sides, so here we go. Piece three. Piece four. Fuck out of here. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Hold on. Look, that's you. That's gonna be you guys someday. That's gonna be you guys. You. And for the people watching this video, that's you guys right there. That's you guys. All right. Bye to the recording.